You know it's gonna be a good Friday when you walk in the door and there are donuts in the break room. Check those out. All right. Grab some breakfast here. I think I'm gonna have to go with, let's do this one here. Thanks for the donuts, David. All right, so that was delicious. If you guys don't have somebody that brings in donuts on Friday morning, I'm sorry. But plan for the day, I've got to show you guys how to install some new carbon fiber hood struts on the WRX. And then I'm also going to show you guys a new product that we're working to bring into the market. And then I've got to take the WRX out for a spin. I'll tell you guys why here in a little bit. But let's head down there. I'll show you guys how to install those hood struts. So here are the Carbon Reproductions, carbon Kevlar hood struts, dampers, or whatever you want to call them. But here they are. There are two different colors for you to choose from. There's a carbon with a blue weave. Not sure how well that shows up. Oh, there you can see it. And then there is a carbon with the red weave. I'm gonna go ahead and install the red on our WRX since we have some other red accenting in the engine bay. But first things first, we gotta open this up. See if I can do this with one hand. Maybe not. All right, I'm gonna set this down here. Hopefully that stays. There we go. Okay, move the blue ones out the way. These foam pieces just slide off, or at least the bottom ones do. And then this, you're gonna notice that they completely surround the rod here and you can't just slide them off. You don't have to cut these off. These ends actually twist off. They're screwed on there. So just go ahead and unscrew these and then you can slide the foam off and reinstall these. All right, so let's head over to the car. So let's first talk about why you would want to install these on your car even though it already comes with the stock OEM hood dampers. Well, these are actually a bit stronger, as I'll show you in a test here in a bit once I get one of these off. And they obviously look better with the carbon fiber weave, and they also open up your hood a little taller as well, so it makes it easier to work on different components of your engine. So what I'm gonna do is take off one side here and show you how strong the OEM ones are, and then I will install the Carbon Reproductions one on one side and remove the OEM strut on the other side to show you guys a comparison of the two. And then I'll install both of the Carbon Reproduction ones on and show you how they look. I'll probably throw the blue ones on there as well just so you guys can see. Also, one big thing, we are gonna be giving these two sets away since I've installed them on the car and they're not gonna be able to be sold anymore. So if you guys want to enter that contest, I'm gonna give it a few days. Comment in the comment section down below what color you want, and then we will pick a winner here in a few days and we'll ship those out to you. So the only thing you need to uninstall your stock hood struts and install your new ones is a small flathead screwdriver. If you take a close look here, the only thing holding these in is these clips right here. You just stick your flathead screwdriver into that opening and then pry it open a little bit like that, and then you are able to pull the hood strut off of the ball joint here. I'm gonna need two hands to do this, so let me set the camera down and I'll show you how easy that is. All right, so this is the top here. All you have to do is insert that screwdriver, give it a little twist, and then pull out. And it's the same thing on the bottom to get these off. Real simple and easy. So here is the bottom one. Again, twist, and it pops right off. So before I install the new Carbon Reproductions hood strut on the other side, I'm gonna do a quick comparison here. This is with just one of the OEM hood struts on the passenger side here. I'm gonna see if it can hold the hood up by itself. And as you can see, it cannot. The hood just drops straight down. And I'll show you there, that's just one hood strut on the passenger side here, nothing over on the driver's side. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and install the Carbon Reproductions hood strut on the driver's side, take that one off, and we'll do the same test. So here are the red ones. I'll show you a quick close-up of that carbon fiber weave there. That looks amazing. Grab my flathead. Let's open this back up. We're actually going to uninstall the passenger side one first to make it a little bit easier to install the one on the driver's side, because these do open up a little wider, so this is gonna inhibit how far I can open up the hood with the new struts. All right, so now to install this, I'm gonna try not to drop this hood on me here. I have it actually just resting against my head because there's no hood struts installed now. All you have to do is take your new hood strut, and these just pop into place onto those ball joints there. Now, one thing to note is these actually install the opposite way compared to the OEM ones. You want the larger damper going up top here. On the OEM ones, it is the reverse. So all you have to do again is push those onto the ball mounts. Same thing on the bottom. Let's see if I can get a better angle here. There we go. And there is one installed on the passenger side. I know I said I was going to install it on the driver's side, but since I took this one off, I said I may as well install it on the same side, so the test is consistent. All right, so we are going to open this hood, and again, see if that one hood strut can hold the hood up by itself. And there you go. Simple test to show you that these are actually stronger than the OEM hood struts. So let's say you're working on your car outside on a windy day, you don't have to worry about that hood coming down and smashing on your head. But even if you do have these, I still recommend using some safety measure if you're just working by yourself, putting a prop up just in case, so if you do get a strong gust of wind, the hood doesn't come smashing down on your head and you get hurt. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this on the other side, and I'll show you how it looks. It's really that simple and easy, guys. Literally took me 5 minutes, if that, and I'm filming, so it shouldn't take you any more time than that to replace your OEM ones with the Carbon Reproduction ones. And they look absolutely stunning in there with the rest of our other red accenting with the hoses and such, except we have that random SubiSpeed blue oil cap. So that is it on those, guys. If you want to pick those up, they are available on our website. And again, like I said, we will be giving these away. I'm going to take these off, repackage them, and we're going to be doing a giveaway for both the red ones and the blue ones. So leave a comment in the section below on what color you want, and we will announce a winner in our next vlog. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna announce the winner in our next vlog. I'm not quite sure when that's gonna be, but that gives you guys some time to leave your comment and enter to win a set of the Carbon Reproductions Carbon Kevlar Damper Kits. I think that's what they're called on our website. But next thing, we've got to test fit some new Radiator shrouds on our WX as well. Now, let me grab these here. This is just one piece. This is the powder coated red Radiator shroud. Now this is actually a 3-piece design. There's 2 pieces that aren't shown here, but this is designed to maximize the airflow into your intake. There's 2 other pieces that direct air into that air scoop for your intake, so you can maximize the airflow, the amount of cool outside air flowing into, if I can get this out, flowing into your intake. Hold on. There it is. So I'm gonna assume this goes underneath the shroud in some way and directs the air upwards towards that thing, which is supposed to be there. So I think I'm gonna have to take the bumper off and then remove the plastic one here. Comes with instructions though, so I should be set. I'm gonna go ahead and do the red one again. There are 3 different versions. There's a powder coated red, black, as well as a raw metal version.
5 minutes later.
So I've got the front bumper off of our WRX. I don't know how many times you guys have seen me do that before, so I didn't want you to have to put you through that again. But with further inspection, it actually looks like the radiator shroud kit won't work with our hella horns here because the scoop basically goes right here. So I'm probably gonna have to remove these for now, just for the test fit. I was correct in having to remove this as well. So let me get those taken off and I will show you what the final product looks like. All right, so I've got it installed. I actually had to uninstall a lot more than I thought with the headlights, bumper, and the hella horns. But let me show you how it fits. Again, you can see this air scoop right here that directs the air upwards towards the area where the air scoop will be, that leads to your air box. And then it has the openings right there for the air to pass through. And then coming over here, you have this piece right here that sort of helps direct air that way as well, so none of it escapes to the right here. But overall, I'm really impressed with how well this fits and just how well put together, and the fit and finish of this is next to none, really. So not only does it make your engine bay look a lot better with the splash of color, it also adds a bit of functionality as well with that air scoop. So be on the lookout for that, guys. I'm not quite sure when those will be available just yet, but we are working on it. Once they become available, you'll certainly see those on the social media. We'll be posting about them. I'll probably do an install video on it. Now, as I said earlier, I've actually got to put this car back together and take it out for a spin and do some logging because it hasn't been running quite well. So I need to send those logs off to our tuner and hopefully we can figure out what's going on. Seems as though there is a leak of some sort somewhere. So hopefully we can get that sorted out so we can take this car out to some events, maybe autocross or some track days or something like that, and take you guys with us. That being said, that's all I've got for today, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions or any recommendations at all, leave them in the comment section down below. But I'll see you guys next time.